Very good morning to all. I am Sunil Datir, Assistant Professor in Computer Engineering, KBTCOE, Nasik. So in this session, we learn about how to create your own directive in AngularJS. So with the help of example, I am explaining how to create a directive in AngularJS. So here I am writing one program. Okay, so custom directive.html file. So with the help of program I'm explaining. So HTML tag is there, then script tag is there, then source is equal to angular.js file. So Angular JavaScript library present here. After that I'm writing body section part. So inside of the body section part, ng app tag is there and my app. So here I want to create a new directive or own directive in AngularJS. So here I am writing the tag name is my directive name, new directive name. So my tag name is suppose Sunil minus Datir. Okay. So my tag ends with again Sunil Datir. So uh, so element HTML element name is a Sunil minus Datir. Then it will ends with that element is Sunil minus Datir. Okay, so it will invoke your directory with the help of HTML element also. So here I am writing new directive. So Sunil hyphen Datir directive. So with the help of so here I am script inside the internal script. Here I am creating one Angular model or initialize the Angular model. So that variable name is app. So this app dot directive function is I am using. So directive function name. Here I am passing two parameter. So my first parameter is my uh, directive name, new directive name. So Sunil. Okay, Sunil. So first string as it is, after the minus sign, first letter will be the capital letter and that's it. Okay, so are you giving the name of the new directive is what? Sunil Datir. Okay, only change is what? Here don't write a minus sign. You can directly write only minus letter after first letter will be here present with capital letters. Okay, and next parameter, first parameter is your directive name, new directive name, and second parameter are you writing the function. Okay, so functionality on this on this directive. So function name, then starting curly braces, ending curly braces. Okay, then semicolon is present here. After that this directive returns, okay, starting curly braces, ending curly braces, then okay, it returns. So are you writing a template here? So template colon. Okay, so you can use inside of the this template HTML tag also. So here I am writing h1 tag. Okay, starting of h1 tag and ending of h1 tag. Inside I am writing one message. Okay, so Ankit Datir, this message will be print on my output screen. Okay, so I am writing new directive. So new directive name is Sunil minus Datir. So here I am writing app with the help of directive function. I am writing new name is what? Sunil Datir. Then I am creating function. So it returns the h1 so h1 tag and h1 tag ends here. So this will print on your output screen Ankit Datir message. So with the help of so I am invoking the new directive with the help of this same tag name. So same tag name is what? Sunil minus Datir. slash Sunil minus Datir. So I am executing this program. Okay, it will run on launch in Firefox. So I am executing this program. It will print on your my output screen is a Ankit Datir. Again I am invoke this directive with the help of attribute also. First I am with the help of what I am using with what HTML element is my directive name. Again here my directive name here I am using with division tag. So division tag is there and my attribute name is a Sunil Datir and my division tags is division tags, so ends here. Okay, so here first time I am using with HTML element and second time I am using with attribute. Okay, so again my my new directive invoke using attribute using as a attribute directive. Okay, so save this program and I am executing this program. Okay, so it will print two messages, means what, first with the help of what HTML element as a directive name and second attribute name is a Sunil minus Datir. Okay, so I want to restrict, suppose I want to print that element only using attribute only. So here I am provided the restriction there. So restrict colon and I am providing attribute comma. Okay, and save this program. So it will invoke only this tag, this division and attribute. It will not invoke this HTML tag because here I am restriction is provided only what A stands for attribute, E stands for element. So I am restriction is provided only on what it will print only this message is what only attribute directive. So save this program and I am executing this program. Okay, some problem is there, so okay, so some spelling mistake is there, so restrict. Okay, then save this program and executing this program. Okay, so it will invoke only attribute directive only. Okay, so with the help of example I am explaining the how to create your own directive in AngularJS. So thank you student.